Alright, here's the garden update number one. Gonna show you guys what I've got going on here. Gonna turn the camera around now. I'll start here with some Saskatoon bushes I put in this year. Got that bucket there to hang up a branch that's flopping down and touching the ground. Here's a Juliet cherry bush I planted. Some more sour cherries. I might move a couple that are struggling, put it in more sun. Here's the bean plot. Got 5 rows of beans here. One section of raised beds. I've got a couple rhubarb raised beds. Got some asparagus here, some zucchini that my father gave me to plant, some beans I planted along the perimeter, some more beans. Here's some peas, some Swiss chard that's coming up finally. It's a little late this year. Planted some more beans on the perimeter. Another couple raised beds of peas with carrots planted on either side. This raised bed here is full of garlic. I've already harvested some garlic scapes. Here, this raised bed I made specifically for grapes. I built a trellis, but I'm going to actually move the grapes into the greenhouse that I'm working on right now once it's built. I'm going to put 3 long raised beds in there, and that'll be for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, a lot of hot climate vegetables. So I've got more zucchini in here. Again, grapes on either side. And then I put some beans to trellis up on this cattle panel. Here's 3 raised beds of peas and carrots. Here's some strawberry raised beds here. I've already been picking strawberries. Some perennial chives and onions. Some more strawberries here. This empty space here is going to be for 3 more raised beds. And I'm going to add 2 more to complete that section too. At the last minute, I threw down some seeds here for some more peas. Didn't do a very good job with evening out the soil, so some are coming up sporadically. And then I've got some potatoes planted here as well that I put in kind of at the last minute. I'll do a orchard tour and a fruit tree tour a little later. It's kind of difficult to fit it all in one video, but as you can see, there are 4 rows of haskaps, then some apple trees off in the distance. Again, I'll do a more in-depth video later when I've got time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.